Hello, welcome back to the freeing up of the 29-year the Servi-Car that's been sitting out for 29 years. This is the gas cap. On the other side of the tank, a lot of people may not know this, some people do. The gas tank is on the left side, the oil tank is on the right side. But the oil tank is smaller. The gas tank goes through the frame and sort of inside the oil tank, although not inside, but the oil tank sort of hovers over it. So it will hold much more gas than oil, which is still not a lot of gas. Anyway, I have not tried to get this off yet. I am forever hopeful. Okay, that didn't go well. Just a sec here. Oh, holy mama. Alright. I'll take a better stance. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Well, it's been on there a while. And now, judging from what I smell, it's not full definitely, but there's something in there. It smells kind of like turpentine. I'm suspecting before any attempt to really seriously crank this over, I need to drain all that out and put something fresh in, because I suspect it hasn't had much for a while, although the fellow who owned this was a pretty smart guy, so you never know. Alright, so there, the gas cap moves. Oh. Well, that went well. Maybe we should try the oil cap. Stay tuned.